if you wish to have a dynamic island on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, you can actually download an app from the Play Store, which is completely free. And the app's name is Dynamic Spot. There we go. And this is the app that we can install on our device. And like I said, it is completely for free, although it has some premium features. You don't really have to purchase them in order to use this app. So once we install it, we can open it. So we need to configure it and set it up on our device. So let's press next. Now we need to go through these options. So first we need to select which apps can be shown on the dynamic island. So you can choose only several apps that will be visible on that island, or you can select all of them. So for instance, you can quickly press all over here in the top right corner, or none, or you can select one by one which apps you wish to pop up with the dynamic island. So I'm gonna select all, and then let's go back. Then we need to provide notification access, so press over here, and then go to Dynamic Spot and allow notification access. We need to select that you are aware of possible risks, and let's wait for the OK button to be able to press it. There we go, press OK. Now we need to also allow the app to draw on screen, so let's tap that option, and then over here we need to select no restrictions. Once again, press next, and here we need to go to downloaded apps, Dynamic Spot, and then we need to enable the option to use Dynamic Spot, and once again select that you are aware of the possible risks. And let's wait for the OK button, and there we go. And we are now done, so we can press done over here. If you see this ad, then you can press this cross over here in the top right corner. You can also go through different settings in order to modify how the app works. You can of course change the position and size over here if needed, and so on and so forth. You can also see the preview, of course. If we go back to the position, over here you can see the preview how it looks like. So you can see that it is actually quite small, so we can make it perhaps a little bit bigger, maybe not that big. There we go. We can also make it wider. We can change the position of it. Let's actually return to the middle. There we go, 0 pixels. But vertically, I want to move it actually a little bit down so that it is not on the front camera. There we go, something like this. And there we go. Now, if you receive a notification, some sort of, then if the app was enabled on that list, then you should see this dynamic island. So let's, for example, let me call myself. And there we go. As you can see, it showed up. And that is essentially it. There's also this issue with the system pop-ups also showing up. And there is actually apparently a way to get rid of that. So if you go back to the Dynamic Spot, over here you can see the option to block system pop-ups, where you need to download this app over here. So you can try that out if you wish to, and simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to get rid of the standard default notification pop-ups that you have on the system. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.